Hello friends, it's best as you find here. So today I'm going to tell you how to trade and how to buy Steems from Binance. So first what you have to do is go to the home page of Binance and then click on wallet and select spot wallet, and after that you will arrive to this page. So there it shows all the tokens you are holding. So we are going to buy Steem, so just on trade and Steem BTC, so you will receive to this page where we can trade Steem with BTC. So this is the Steem BTC pair. So it shows all the sell orders, buy orders, and how Bitcoin varies with Steem, and order history, and from here we can sell Steem, and from here we can buy Steem, and everything is displayed there. So what we are going to do is we are going to sell Bitcoin and buy Steem. So I selected the price and I'm selling all my BTC there, and just click buy Steem. That's all what you have to do. Select the price and just press on buy. So see, now I have the Steem, right? So you can check it. Just go to the spot wallet again, and there it shows the balance. So now I have 255 Steems, and if you want to withdraw and send it to your Steemit account, from there you can do it. So it's very simple. So that's how to buy Steem from Binance. Okay, thank you very much.